We're down here at Mr. Jerry's house. I'm going to be performing a repairability attempt. Show you guys the tools that I'll be using. It's that all-in-one roof snake, a precision nail puller, and a hammer. And this should do the majority of the work. And then my hammer, I have this just in case. But you can see, other than just being old, the shingles around this damaged shingle are in okay condition. This is just gonna try to lift the seals on these, so you go that way, and then should be good with just that much. This is really stuck, so I'm gonna try to just gently get these shingles separated. I gotta go 2 courses up. The mastic adhesive is so strong on these shingles, and the shingles are so paper thin and brittle that it's gonna be unavoidable to trying to separate these and pull out this broken shingle and put a new one in. It's gonna be unavoidable to cause more damage. All right, I should be able to get up right there. All right, and we got to get under this one a little bit too. All right, now I'm just gonna be pulling these nails out. So I'm gonna just gently lift, identify the nail. I should just be able to pry them out one by one. Oop. All right, nail right there. Just working my way down, and gotta go up to the second course right here. I'm gonna pull all these nails out as well. Here. And the first thing I want to point out to the adjuster watching is these huge chunks of mat transfer right here. This is actually the bottom of this shingle. You can even see chunks missing from it. It's the bottom of that shingle was actually ripping the shingle below it to the one above it. So pulled that old shingle out. We're just going to be putting our new shingle in, sliding it up into place. All right. All right. And I'm just going to be putting these new nails I have in the shingle. Where I pulled one out, there's one that goes in. I'm just gonna lift slightly and start knocking these in. And you can see these shingles are really just falling apart. Two more nails. And last one. And as I drive that last nail in, I want you guys to see, you can really feel it. I mean, these shingles are so brittle. You can see it up along the top of these teeth right here. You can see where that fiberglass matting is actually cracked, is broken. The other thing is you know, this excessive amount of mat transfer here on these shingles. You know, these shingles are just essentially just ripping apart. They're paper thin. That adhesive that sticks them together is just so strong that there's really no way to not damage the shingles around to put a new shingle in. We would ask that the adjuster watch this repair attempt and notice the condition of the shingles before, during, and after the repair, and that they're in worse condition. Thanks for watching.